So with that warning from doctors, how do you go about navigating the holiday, keeping a positive attitude and still trying to plan for safe gatherings? It's a lot to think about. That's where Amy Cook with WVU comes in. Amy, so nice to virtually meet you tonight. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you for having me. I'm happy to be here.
So Amy, what do you do if your family member is still expecting you to come over for Thanksgiving next week?
Yeah, this is when we really need to help our family members understand that the reason we're not gathering is because we want everyone to be healthy. We're considering our health, their health. We want everyone to be alive after the holiday season is over so that when the pandemic comes to an end, we are able to have those fun family celebrations and everybody can be there.
What is it about Thanksgiving and gathering around the table, serving food that makes doctors like the one we just heard from say it's just not possible to do that safely?
Yeah, well, our tradition of Thanksgiving dinner and all of the holiday dinners really are about gathering a large number of people together, right? We want to see all of our family that we don't normally get to see throughout the year. So we're packing people into tight spaces, and that alone is a huge issue. When we're eating, we are not wearing masks. So there's another issue. And of course, we're not following those social distance guidelines when we're all packed in the house together. But also, when it comes to the preparation of the food and the serving of the food, we have multiple people making food. Typically, we have potluck dinners for Thanksgiving and other holidays where different family members are bringing in different dishes to go together. So we're really increasing our risk at that point when we have multiple people handling the food, serving the food, or when we go through lines serving ourselves and everybody's touching the same serveware and the same food.
This is something that a lot of people, though, look forward to all year. And it's upsetting that people won't be able to do this. So how do you keep a positive attitude if you're faced with a couple lonely weeks ahead?
Yeah, I think the first thing that we need to do is remember that the holidays are not canceled. We've seen a lot of hubbub about everything's canceled, Thanksgiving's canceled, Christmas, Hanukkah, everything's canceled. And we need to remember that that's actually not the case. Now, things are going to look different. There's no doubt about that. But we're not canceling any holidays. So what I would like to do is think about the traditions that I'm going to be able to carry on with my family. And there are a lot of things that we're still going to be able to do. We're decorating our homes. We see a lot of people doing that earlier now than they typically do in other years because it's something that brings them joy. We can still go out with our families and ride around in the car and look at holiday lights together. We can still do some of those traditions that we normally do, and we should do that for our mental health. And the other really important piece is that we need to continue to connect with people. And while we might not be doing that in person, we can still text. We have more ways now because of technology that we can connect with people than we ever have before. And it is absolutely different when we're not doing that in person, but it's still important to connect. Texting, Zoom platforms, Zoom has extended their time that families are allowed to spend together over the holidays on a Zoom call. So all of these different technology applications that we can use to continue to connect with each other. And we really need to remember those people that are at risk for isolation or becoming depressed and that sort of thing. I'm going to reach out to those people.
Amy, thank you again for joining me tonight and for helping us look on the bright side of all of this.
That's right. Thank you.